In this lesson, we're going to learn about equal parts. So if we have a problem like this one that says, select the picture that shows equal parts. So let's look at the three pictures. There's three triangles and they look like to be the same size, the triangles. But we need to look at each one to see if they've been divided into exact equal parts. So let's take a look at this purple one first. So it looks like this has not been divided into exact equal parts. This is smaller than this part. So we could cross that one out. We know this one is not divided into exact equal parts, so we could eliminate it. Now let's take a look at this turquoise one. This looks like it's been divided exactly into two exact equal parts. So it looks like this is the right answer. But let's make sure and let's look at this pink one just to be sure. So this pink one has been divided into, it looks like, not equal parts, three different sized parts. So we know we could eliminate that one too. We could get rid of it, cross it out. So we know that the answer to this problem that says select the picture that shows equal parts is this one. This triangle has been divided into two exact equal parts. So that's the answer to this question. And don't worry if you don't get this right away, you could just rewatch the video. And if you need extra help, you could take a look at the description. There's links there to other videos that are similar to this if you need extra practice. Make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.